How to play Block Blast on PC. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can play Block Blast on PC. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your any search engine and go and download any emulator. So you can just go and search for BlueStacks. It is an emulator and you can play Block Blast on this on your PC. So once you search for that, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you gotta click on this one or either on this one, the download BlueStacks. So you can just click on it and you will be redirected to Block Blast interface where you can download Block Blast. So just click on download Block Blast and the download process will shortly begin. And here you can see that the setup for BlueStacks have been downloaded. So you can just click on it once it gets downloaded. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see an interface that will pop in front of you. That will be an installation wizard. So here you can just click on install now and the installation process will begin. Once BlueStack gets downloaded, you gotta go to the search bar and search for Block Blast over here. So you can just search for Block Blast and press enter, and after that you'll be able to see Block Blast get featured in front of you. So here you can see it's loading right now, and here is Block Blast. So you can just click on it and download it on your PC, but instead it would not actually get downloaded in PC. This is an emulator and it will get downloaded on the emulator's home screen, and then you can play the game from there. So that was basically how you can play Block Blast on PC. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.